Hey TinkerBlock enthusiasts! Today we're learning how to track button presses and releases with precise timestamps. This is perfect for data logging, debugging, and creating sophisticated user interfaces. We're using our TinkerBlock setup: the lonely Binary UNO R3, the Shield, and the TK04 push button. But now we're adding precise timing to every button interaction. The key concept is state change detection. We use a variable called lastButtonState to remember what the button was doing before. When the current state is different from the last state, we know something changed. Here's the magic. We use millis to get the exact time when each state change happens. When you press the button, we record that timestamp. When you release it, we record another timestamp. The millis function gives us milliseconds since the Arduino started. It's non-blocking and super precise. Perfect for timing without slowing down your program. In the serial monitor, you'll see messages like button pressed at 1250 milliseconds and button released at 18,050 milliseconds. You can calculate exactly how long you held the button by subtracting these timestamps. This technique is incredibly useful for debugging button behavior, creating data logs, or building complex input systems. You can track patterns, measure response times, and create precise timing-based interactions. Try this. Upload the code, open the serial monitor, and start pressing the button. Watch those timestamps roll in. It's like having a high-precision stopwatch for your button interactions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TinkerBlock tutorials.